Five things you must use to bet for you to attract money and favor into your life. Life is spiritual, like I always say, and the spiritual realm is what controls the physical realm. A lot of people are aware of this, while some are not aware of this. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you five items you use and bet, and you'll be attracting money and favor into your life if you can be able to do it. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to an end and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And in case if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I teach spiritual tip here on this channel. Okay, so you are highly welcome if you are seeing me for the first time. So these items that you need to use to attract this favor is very powerful. Okay, it's very powerful and it is effective. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use it. Okay, so first item you can use to bet to attract favor and money is Florida water. Mercy and favor, Florida water. Okay, this Florida water now, a lot of us know this water, this item is a Florida water. Adding this item into your betting water anytime you want to bet in the morning, you take a little of it and add it inside your water and pray and bet with that water will help bring favor, good luck and money into your life. If you constantly practice that with this Florida water, you will be seeing the changes that come with it. Things will be going well for you. People will be giving you gifts. People will be favoring you in anything you are doing. Okay, that's the work of this Florida water. Some people don't know how to use it. They are using it wrongly. That's why sometimes they are not getting the result they are supposed to get. But if you want to get these results, anytime you wake up in the morning, get Florida water, get a bucket of water, add it inside your betting water, use it and bet yourself. You will see the changes that will come with it. Okay, another item is coconut water. Yes, coconut water. If you want to bet in the morning, get something, either a knife or a nail or anything you can use to open the coconut. Open it from the head. Open it from the head. That's from the eyes. You know, it has 3 eyes. Just open one of it. Also use the water and add inside your betting water and use it to bet. Okay, use it to bet yourself. But the coconut water now, you are not going to use it in the morning. You are going to use it in the night. Okay, the coconut water, you are not going to use it in the morning. You are going to use it in the night. That's when you use coconuts for it to be effective for you. Okay, another item is honey. Honey. Okay, you can get this honey from supermarkets. This is another item you can add into your betting water and you will be attracting good things into your life. You'll be attracting favor and good luck into your life. Okay, the honey, you are going to use it in the morning also for you to have the result you are looking for. Okay, you are going to use it in the morning. Just add it in a little of it inside your betting water. Use the water and bet, and make sure whenever you are betting, you are praying. Okay, say something, say your intention, say your desire, so that it will come to pass. The words we speak has power. Okay, the universe has ears. Okay, so make sure you are saying something whenever you are betting with these items. Okay, so that's the third thing. And the fourth thing is sea salt. The fourth thing is sea salt. Some of us are aware of this, some are not aware. Sea salt is very powerful and it is effective. Yes, it is effective. Adding sea salt inside your betting water will also help you bring good things and also give you protection. Yes, that's the work of this. It will also give you protection from any bad energy, bad spirits working against you. Using sea salt to bet will also give you protection and give you breakthrough. Okay, and the last item is cowries. Cowries. Anytime you want to bet, you put cowries inside your betting water. But these cowries now, you are not going to be using it like other ones. You are going to be using it at odd hour. Okay, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night. You wake up from your bed, add calories inside your betting water, use it and bet, and be commanding wherever your money is. Say your desire. Let the universe bring them to you. Let good things come as the calories inside the water. That's what you'll be saying, and you'll be betting yourself 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night. Okay, after you must have finished betting, you throw it away to your left, right, to your left hand side. To your left hand side, you throw it away. Okay, if you can do this once, it's okay. If you can do it 2 times, it's okay. You can do it 3 times, it's okay. But it should not exceed 3 times. Okay, so these items now, you can use them to bet differently, and you see the things that will be coming, the changes, the favor, the money that will be coming after doing it. What we are doing is a spiritual something, not physical. Okay, a carnal man can never understand what I'm saying. Okay, so if you can be able to carry out this exercise, you will see the changes that will be coming into your life in no distant time. Gradually, you will be seeing the changes. Okay, so make sure you carry out any of this exercise, anyone that you can do. Make sure you practice it very well, and you see the changes that will come with it. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask, use the comment section. Okay, and if you need any of these products, just chat me up with the number showing on the screen. All right, so I'll help you out. All right, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.